You sleep 7 hours and still wake up feeling like you haven't rested in days. Your body's alive, but your soul feels drained. You walk through the day like a ghost, wondering why your energy disappears before noon. You think it's just bad sleep, but it's not. Because this kind of tired, sleep can't fix it. You tell yourself, if I just sleep earlier, if I take a break, if I rest this weekend. But the truth is, you've been sleeping, you've been resting, and you're still tired. Not the kind of tired that caffeine fixes. The kind that creeps in, even after 10 hours of sleep. You don't need more sleep. You need to understand what's draining you. You're not just physically tired, you're emotionally burned out. Mentally overstimulated, spiritually undernourished. You wake up and check your phone, 10 tabs open in your mind before you even brush your teeth. You carry conversations you didn't finish, regret you haven't faced, goals you abandoned, and worst of all, you carry a version of yourself that doesn't even feel real anymore. That's the exhaustion no one talks about. And the more you avoid that confrontation, the heavier life feels. You want real answers? Here's what's actually draining you. 1. Decision fatigue. You make hundreds of micro decisions a day. What to wear, what to eat, who to reply to. Most of them pointless, but all of them stealing your energy. Systemize the small. Save your brain for things that matter. 2. Doom scrolling. You scroll to escape, but it's actually draining your mental battery. Every post, every reel, every fake perfect life is burning your focus for nothing in return. Use your phone. Don't let it use you. 3. Suppressed emotions. You're holding in pain you never processed, anger you pretend doesn't exist, shame you never confronted. It takes energy to wear that mask every day. Let yourself feel, or stay exhausted pretending you don't. 4. Constant multitasking. You juggle 5 things at once, but finish none of them. This fragments your brain. Every task becomes shallow, and you lose the deep, focused energy that actually restores you. Single tasking is a superpower. 5. Clutter, mental and physical. A messy room is a messy mind. Tabs open, notifications pinging, tasks half finished. Your environment is silently draining you. Clean it, cut the noise. 6. People who drain you. You call them friends, but you feel worse every time you talk to them. Toxic conversations, fake positivity, judgment disguised as advice. Protect your peace like it's currency, because it is. 7. Lack of purpose. You can work 12 hours a day and still feel empty. If it's not leading anywhere that matters, you're not lazy, you're just uninspired by a life that doesn't reflect your potential. Find direction, or you'll burn out chasing things you never wanted. If any of these hit you hard, like the video, you're not the only one carrying this weight. You won't solve burnout by sleeping longer. You'll solve it by living differently. Start here. Set non-negotiable tech boundaries. No screens 1 hour after waking or before bed. Your nervous system needs silence, not stimulation disguised as catching up. That time is where your brain resets. Without it, no amount of rest will feel like recovery. Use the 3R rule: reflect, reset, rebuild. Reflect on what drained you this week. Reset with one low-input day. No noise, no numbing. Rebuild your routine by adding just one habit that gives more than it takes. Tiny shifts, big returns. Move your body, even if it's just 10 minutes. Tired minds are trapped in still bodies, and motion is the fastest way to change your mental state. You don't need a full workout. Just move, walk, stretch, shake the static off. Rest with intention. Scrolling isn't rest. Netflix binges aren't recovery. Real rest is stillness, quiet, space. If you want to feel different, you have to unplug from everything that keeps you numb. Reconnect with purpose. You don't need perfect clarity. You just need something worth waking up for. Because direction, more than sleep, fuels energy. You can keep crashing, wondering why you always feel behind. Or you can slow down, not to stop, but to heal. You don't need more sleep. You need to stop bleeding energy into things that don't deserve it. Rest is not laziness. It's preparation for war. If this video gave you clarity, like it. If you want more of this kind of truth, subscribe. And if someone you care about is running on empty, send it. You're not lazy. You're waking up.